Imagine a world where drug development isn't a race against time, but a symphony of precision, where groundbreaking medicines reach patients faster and formulation challenges become relics of the past. This isn't science fiction. It's the imminent reality powered by artificial intelligence and automation in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Are you ready to unlock unprecedented efficiency, accelerate innovation, and transform your R&D processes? Stay tuned, because what I'm about to share will redefine how you approach pharmaceutical formulation forever. For too long, pharmaceutical research and development has been a labor-intensive journey, fraught with bottlenecks and prolonged timelines. From initial discovery to final formulation, every step demands meticulous attention, often leading to months, even years, of iterative testing and refinement. This traditional approach, while robust, struggles to keep pace with the accelerating demands of a global healthcare landscape. But what if we could drastically cut down these timelines? What if we could predict outcomes with higher accuracy, optimize formulations with unprecedented speed, and troubleshoot production issues before they even arise? This is where the power of AI and automation steps in, bridging the gap between traditional methods and future-forward innovation. Let's dive into the tangible ways AI and automation are already reshaping pharmaceutical R&D. First, in drug discovery and development, AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets of molecular structures, biological targets, and existing drug properties. This accelerates the identification of promising drug candidates, significantly reducing the time and cost associated with early-stage research. Imagine predicting compound efficacy and potential side effects before even synthesizing them. Next, in formulation optimization, AI models can predict how different excipients and active pharmaceutical ingredients will interact, optimizing stability, solubility, and most critically, bioavailability. This means fewer experimental trials, faster iteration cycles, and ultimately, more effective drug products reaching patients sooner. What once took months of trial and error can now be simulated and refined in days. Furthermore, AI is proving invaluable in troubleshooting and quality control within manufacturing. By analyzing real-time production data, AI systems can identify anomalies, predict equipment failures, and even suggest corrective actions, minimizing downtime and ensuring consistent product quality. This proactive approach prevents costly errors and maintains regulatory compliance. Finally, for the critical aspect of bioavailability prediction, AI and machine learning models are revolutionizing how we understand drug absorption. These advanced algorithms can predict how well a drug will be absorbed and utilized by the body, allowing formulators to design more effective delivery systems and improve therapeutic outcomes. This is a game changer for developing highly effective and safe medications.